A water meter is very similar to a gas or electricity meter. It measures how much you've used. The water meter measures usage in cubic metres, which is the same as 1,000 litres. This is roughly the same as 12 baths or 12 washing machine loads. You are then billed for water and sewerage services based on this usage, plus there's a standing charge. Many people ask if a water meter will save them money. If you live alone, have a small family, or you are very water efficient, it may work out cheaper for you. In most cases, it's free to have a water meter installed, providing we are able to fit it onto the plumbing at your property. We will survey your property and let you know. If you'd like to apply for a water meter, visit our water meter page at www.dwrcymru.com. We'll ask you a few questions, and if you still wish to have a meter installed, you can then complete the online application form. Or you can call us on 0800 052 0140. Once you've sent us your application asking to have a meter fitted, then we will arrange for someone to survey your property. Normally, the meter is fitted in an underground chamber between the property and the road. If we aren't able to install a water meter, you can choose to remain on your current unmeasured charge, or alternatively, to be billed on the basis of our assessed measured charge. This is based on typical usage for the number of people and appliances in your household. You can find more information about water meters on our website www.dwrcymru.com.